things first, let's go over your homework. So we had a quizzes today. Good job to our top scorers from this class. So yes, good job Zoyman in this class. Dami, Kitty, great work guys. You guys did much better on this quiz. Lots of participation, multiple attempts. Very, very happy with that. Great work. Let's go over the quiz. Is everybody ready? Be ready to raise your hand. Started. Number 1. What does the light in the midnight zone come from? Simon.
From the animals that can make their own light.
Very good. From the animals that can make their own light. Number 2, what is a reason that fish are bioluminescent in the midnight zone? Cherry? Bo?
To find food.
Ooh, that was a close one. 3, the black swallower fish, Dami?
Can eat prey twice its size. Man.
Good. Could eat prey twice its size. Nice work, Dami. All right. What could be food for the animals that live in the midnight zone? Select all the correct answers. Zoyman?
B and C.
B and C. Nice work. Dead phytoplankton and other animals. Dead animals and living animals. What does the temperature feel like in the midnight zone? Nuna?
Freezing.
Freezing. Good job. All right. What is a fish that is bioluminescent in the midnight zone? Kitty?
Anglerfish.
An anglerfish. Good pronunciation too. Nice work, Kitty. Number 7. How deep is the midnight zone? Kaki?
About 1,000 meters to 11,000 meters deep in the ocean.
Very good. Nice work, Kaki. Number 8. What is something you can find at the bottom of the ocean? Michael?
We can find dead organisms and...
Yep, that was right. Good, right? No living coral reefs, no plants. What percentage of water is in the midnight zone? What percentage of water? Cherry? 90. Good job, 90%. Nice work. All done. Great job, guys. All right, let's go over your second set of homework, your ocean zone drawing. So I didn't get that many, but I think it's because some of you have turned your homework in earlier in the week. So I had a really nice one from Zoyman, this one from Bo, this one from Bo, and this one from Simon. And then I also got one from Michael. Michael, I can't seem to be able to download yours because they're different type. So I can't rotate it the right direction, but I can tell that you colored it nicely. I remember you shared your sunlight zone one. Your midnight zone one also looks really good, Michael. So real quick in your video, hold up your drawing or raise your hand if you also did your midnight zone drawing. Kaki, yes, I think you turned yours in earlier this week. Michael, very good. Nancy, did you do your midnight zone? Yeah? Say that again?
Yeah, I'm not sure if my mom already sent it up to Google Drive yet. I asked my mom to do that, and I don't know if she already did. She said nothing to me.
That's okay, no worries. All right, let's see. Let's start with Zoyman. Zoyman put a lot of time and effort into his 3 zones. So Zoyman, can you tell us about your homework?
I draw a sea urchin. Some sea urchin in the midnight zone. A giant squid, a jellyfish, and box jellyfish, and anglerfish.
Very good. Very nice. I see all of them. Great work. This looks really good. And I like the animals in your sunlight zone too. Very nice work, Zoyman. Bo, what did you draw in your midnight zone?
I draw a giant squid and an anglerfish, and I draw a people here too.
Yeah, I guess so we can see how much bigger the giant squid is. All right, nice work, Bo. Go ahead, Simon.
I draw a picture of the midnight zone.
Very good. And what animals did you draw?
I draw the anglerfish, the giant squid, the vampire fish, and the lanternfish, and the fish swallower.
Yeah, the black swallower. Wow, you got a lot of them. I see your vampire squid here. Very good, Simon. I like that you included so many different ones. This is really nice. All right, good job. Nancy, go ahead and share your midnight zone.
Yes, this is my midnight zone down there. You see? Yeah. I finished I finished the whole thing. First, I drew some small jellyfish down there and some dead vital and some dead plankton. I drew a viper fish and a giant squid, and I included a grouper eel.
Very good. Can we see the picture again? Excellent job, Nancy. That's amazing. And I like the gulper eel that you included. Very good job. So Michael, go ahead and quickly show us your midnight zone.
Here, my midnight zone is at the bottom of the page. And I've drawn an anglerfish, a black swallower, a tripod fish, and a gulper eel. I also draw a cave.
Yeah, your gulper eel and your tripod fish are really good.
And I haven't decided what to put in the tummy of the tripod. I mean the black swallower.
Yeah, the black swallower. Very nice though. Excellent work. All right, guys, let's go on to our lesson for today. But first, I want to do a quick review of everything that we've learned so far about the ocean. So quickly, match the name to the plant. Remember, for all of our matching games today, there are quite a few. Draw one line from one of the words on top to a plant on top, or one of the words on the bottom to a plant on the bottom. Go ahead and draw. Nice, Jenny. Good job. Khaki, yes. Very good. Nice. Looking good. Michael, Nuna, very nice. Great work. All right, seagrass here in the middle. Water wheel, this one over here, remember it's a carnivore. This plant eats fish. The sea anemone for Nemo over here. Kelp, here's a kelp forest, a phytoplankton, and a red algae. Nice job, everyone. Match the adaptation to the animal. We have a lobster, an elephant seal, a sea urchin, and an electric eel. Which adaptation do each of them have? Ready? Draw. Match the adaptation. Very good. All right, the lobster has a hard shell. All right, the lobster has a hard shell. The elephant seal has an extra layer of fat. The sea urchin has spikes and poison. And what about the electric eel? What is the adaptation of the electric eel? Good job, electricity to paralyze prey. So everybody circle horseshoe crab. Nice, Michael, Simon. Circle the angelfish. All right, circle the conch. The conch shell. Good job. Not the one up there. That's the electric eel, right? All right, circle the pufferfish. Pufferfish. Nice, good job. Circle the feather starfish. Good work, guys. All right, another matching. Ready? Match the adaptation to the, either go ahead and start. We have a lanternfish, a sperm whale, a squid, and the Atolla jellyfish. The Atolla jellyfish. Nice work. The lanternfish has bioluminescence. The sperm whale, an extra layer of fat. The squid, The squid shoots out ink, and the Atolla jellyfish, you guys said, had bioluminescence and red coloring to hide. Because remember, most fish can only see blue, so they can't see the jellyfish. All right, everyone circle the swordfish. Good job. The swordfish. Remember, it looks like it has a sword. Nice. Circle the sperm whale. Very good. Circle the lanternfish. Good, Nancy. Remember, the lanternfish is the skinny one. The hatchet fish looks like a hatchet. Circle the hatchet fish. All right, let's pause there. So this one is the hatchet fish. It looks like a hatchet, right? Here we have the handle, the blade, hatchet fish. So it can chop a nice piece of wood. This is the lanternfish, where all of them have lots and lots of different colors. Nice work, and we have our Atolla jellyfish. Last one, these are for the midnight zone. Go ahead and match the animal to its adaptation. These ones are a little harder. All right, good job. I will draw where you drew. So you have this coming here, this one going here, this one going here, and this one here. So the anglerfish, bioluminescence to attract prey. Perfect. Black swallower. Actually, does the black swallower have a large mouth? I don't know if I'd say he has a large mouth. I think the black swallower is supposed to go here. All right, the vampire squid, large eyes and red color. Great. And the gulper eel, this one, look at that mouth. Whoa, this one has the large mouth, small teeth, and an expandable stomach. These two, though, their adaptations are very similar. All right, circle the vampire squid. Vampire squid. Circle the tripod fish. Nice. Circle the colossal eel. All right, I'm sorry, I said colossal eel. The colossal squid or the gulper eel. Nice work, you guys. Okay, let's see what we're going to learn today. Saltwater bodies of Vietnam. So first, let's learn the bodies of saltwater. We have seas, oceans, and salt lakes. So what is a sea? Does anyone know? What is a sea? Go ahead, Mooney.
It's a small body of water, salt water.
Very good. Excellent. Kaki said the same thing on chat. Very good, Kaki and Mooney. Here's an example near Vietnam. Some of Vietnam's water is the South China Sea. The South China Sea. So seas are partially surrounded by land. What is an ocean? What is an ocean? Cherry, what is an ocean? Very good. It supports a lot of fish and coral reefs. Can someone tell me about its size? What size is the ocean, Nuna?
Big.
Big, yeah. Can someone read these two facts about the ocean for us? Ruby?
The ocean is a huge body of salt water that covers about 71% of the Earth's surface.
Very good, Ruby. Don't forget your S's like Earths and covers, okay? Very nice. So the oceans are surrounded by land. Like if we look at the North Atlantic Ocean, the North Atlantic, there's land on two sides, and it's also surrounded by other oceans like the Arctic Ocean on the top and the South Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean. So what is a salt lake? Who knows what a salt lake is? A salt lake. Kitty?
A salt lake is a lake that has a salt water.
Exactly. And what makes it a lake and not an ocean?
It's surrounded by land and they smaller than the ocean.
Very good. Surrounded by land and smaller. Here's the Great Salt Lake in Utah. This is much, much smaller than the ocean. And like Kitty said, fully surrounded by land. All right, so what are the differences between these bodies of water? Let's see, Zoyman.
Oceans is the largest, sea is larger than the salt lake. Salt lake is the smallest.
Excellent. So Zoyman said the three are different by size. Kaki, could you tell me another difference between these?
Lakes are low and seas are normal and oceans are very, very deep.
Excellent. Great job, Kaki. Shallow versus deep. Nice job. Who can tell me another one? Dami?
The ocean is not surrounded by the water. The sea is not surrounded by land. Ocean and sea was not surrounded by land. Lake is surrounded by land.
Very good.
Whoa.
Put the ED on surround. Can you say surrounded?
Surrounded.
There we go. Nice work, Dami. Okay, let's read about them. Go ahead, Jenny.
Lakes surrounded by land and other ocean.
Very good. It has land and oceans around it. How about seas? Seas. Simon, could you read about seas?
Seas are smaller, partly surrounded by land.
Very good. So not completely surrounded by land, but partly. Min An, can you read about salt lakes?
Smallest, fully surrounded by land.
Very nice. Smallest and fully surrounded by land. Nice work. Now let's learn about gulfs and bays. Everyone say gulfs.
Gulfs.
Good, gulfs. And everyone say bays.
Bays.
Very good. Here's the difference. Can someone read about the gulfs for us? Nancy, could you read about the gulfs?
Part of the ocean that is partly surrounded by land.
Very good. So gulfs are part of the ocean that are partially surrounded by land. In this picture, we see the Atlantic Ocean, and then attached to it is the Gulf of Maine, a gulf. All right, Bo, can you read about the bay?
Body of water that is partly enclosed by land and is smaller than a gulf.
Good. Can you say the word enclosed?
Enclosed.
Good. Very good, Bo. So the bay is similar to the gulf, but it's smaller. It's smaller. So maybe the gulf has a bay in it. Ocean, gulf, bay, from biggest to smallest. All right, everyone, get ready to draw again. I want you to circle the body of water I say. So if I say, for example, bay, a bay surrounded by land and attached to a gulf, sea, or ocean. So I would circle this one. All right, let's give it a try. Everyone circle the ocean. Which one describes the ocean? Nice, Jenny, Nancy, Michael. Very good, Nuna, Kitty. Good work. Which one is the Gulf? Let me ask another question. Which one is the sea? Which one shows the sea? All right, so in this case, small and mostly, so if it is small and mostly surrounded by land, and it could be attached to a gulf, a sea, or an ocean, this is the bay. This one is large. It's really, really big, partially surrounded by land. I'd say this one's probably maybe the sea. Let's try it again. Actually, let's have everyone say their answers out loud. So, everyone, which one is this?
Salty Lake.
Very good. Salt Lake. Very good, everybody. Circle the sea. Circle the sea. Good. Much better, guys. Much better. Still maybe a little bit off, but yes, it's large and it's partially surrounded by land. All right, circle the Gulf. Very good, everybody. This one's the Gulf, and that means this one is the bay. All right, nice work, everyone. There we go. Okay. So, do you know any bodies of water in Vietnam? Simon?
The bay.
The bay? Yes, we have a bay in Vietnam. Good. Jenny?
Ocean.
Do you know which ocean?
I don't know.
So actually, there aren't any oceans that touch Vietnam, but the closest one's the Pacific Ocean. All right, Kaki, Kitty?
Gulf.
We do have a Gulf. Good job, Kaki. Kitty, anything else?
Sea.
Salty Lake.
Yes, we also have salty lakes. We have the Delta. The Mekong Delta has lakes and rivers that are saltwater. Let's take a look here. We have the Philippine Sea, the South. So right here is Vietnam. Right here. We have the South China Sea, the Gulf of Thailand, the Philippine Sea, and way over here is the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. So the oceans are big, really big, and when they get close to land, we have seas, and we have gulfs, and we have bays, like the Bay of Bengal. So this is just to show, let's take a look over here. Which bodies of water are around Vietnam? Can you name one? Michael, what's a body of water that you see?
The Gulf of Tonkin and the Gulf of Thailand.
Very good. The Gulf of Tonkin, the Gulf of Thailand. Does someone see another body of water? How about Zoyman?
Vâng. Near Hà Nội.
Yes, that would be a bay up there. Good job. Up there, Hat Long Bay. Any other? There's one more really big one. Jenny?
South China Sea.
Very good, Jenny. We have the South China Sea right here. So, like you guys said, the Gulf of Tonkin. Everyone say, Gulf of Tonkin.
Gulf of Tonkin.
Very good. Then we have the bays, the South China Sea, the Gulf of Thailand, and the Mekong River Delta, right? Down here near Ho Chi Minh City. All right, everyone circle the South China Sea. Everyone circle the South China Sea. All right, everyone circle the Gulf of Thailand. Circle the Gulf of Tonkin. Nice. Circle where Hat Long Bay would be. Where's Hat Long Bay? Nice, good job. Simon, Michael, Kitty, good. Circle where the Mekong River Delta. Where's the Mekong Delta? All right, so the Mekong River Delta, the Mekong Delta is right here. This arrow over here is just showing the blown up, the big version of it, so we can really see what it looks like. So this is just showing us what's right here near Ho Chi Minh, the Mekong Delta. What lives in Vietnam's oceans? We've seen a lot of these animals before. We've seen the hawksbill turtle. Everyone say hawksbill turtle.
Hawksbill turtle.
Good. We have an ocean sunfish. And then we have Phu Quoc's horned sea star. Everyone say horned sea star.
Horned sea star.
Very good. And a whale shark. Whoa. Everybody say whale shark.
Whale shark.
Good. All right. This is how the sea turtles are critically endangered. So we'll go over that part on when we go over what's endangered in Vietnam. All right. This fish here is a pine cone fish because it looks like the pine cone of a tree. Everyone say pine cone fish.
Pine cone fish of the.
Very good. And everyone say, this is dugongs.
Dugong.
Nice job. And here are the marine animals important for fishing. We have the pangasus. Everyone say pangasus.
Pangasus.
Very good. We have shrimp and we have tuna. We've learned those ones. Vietnam uses these for fishing to eat. Pangasus, shrimp, and tuna. All right, guys. Here is your homework for tonight. So you had a quizzes about bodies of salt water. Here is the code. So your other homework is to find 2 more animals that lives in the oceans of Vietnam. Be ready to share them with the class. So 2 more animals, there are so many that live in the oceans of Vietnam. Some of them are really, really cool. So everyone quizzes and research 2 more animals that live in Vietnam's salt water. Okay, I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.